So first of all, since we are talking about Supreme Court, Supreme Court has already also used two words: constitutional despot, which it will not allow Election Commission or any other person to become, which seems to be it as the ultimate goal of some of the people in power right now. Supreme Court has also asked the Election Commission on why SIR. And if you see, SIR was in the last time also held when BJP was in power, because we keep hearing about that. And talking about changing of perception, so if a perception is changed to help the voters, you should appreciate it that the viewpoint has changed to help the voters get into the voter list instead of being adamant on a point. And they know that these are the three things that you have said that Supreme Court has asked Election Commission to see.
So are you trying to say? Are you trying to say that the opposition today is okay with NRC? The whole fight around Aadhaar was to ensure that there is no NRC. So if Aadhaar is an identification for citizenship, that means that a national registry of citizens can be used and biometrics can be incorporated, Aadhaar biometrics can be incorporated. Is that what you are saying, that the Congress will change its position there? How is it that in Maharashtra it was about enfranchisement and in Bihar it is about disenfranchisement?
And as the opposition has pointed out, this what Election Commission is doing is NRC by backdoor. It has been said as much. And when you talk about
then if it is NRC by backdoor, then Aadhaar should not be made mandatory in the first place, because you opposed Aadhaar because of NRC. Now you are saying allow Aadhaar, but it is still NRC because you are not allowing Aadhaar. अरे बाबू एक बात पे तो यहाँ टिकना होगा सर.
So Ani, देखिए, अगर आप समय के साथ बदल रहे हैं तो अच्छी बात होती है.
नहीं, समय के साथ बदलना एवोल्यूशन होता है सर. लेकिन स्वादानुसार और सिचुएशन अनुसार बदलना थाली का बैंगन कहलाया जाता है, अपॉर्चुनिज्म कहलाया जाता है.
Listen, just hear me out. These are the three things which are available with the poor people. You are talking about 75% of the enumeration forms having been already sent to by the voters. Do you know that there have been news reports that the people there, that the officials there are asking the locals to submit the enumeration forms, and the proofs can be submitted later. It has been reported, widely reported.
So yeah, because the Election Commission has already come out